What's going on, guys? It's Tactical Trash Panda once again. I'm here to just give you guys a quick tack tip. Nothing special, but something that might save you along the lines. So, a while back, a good friend of mine, a good shooter, uh, trains a lot, takes a lot of the classes from a lot of the well-known instructors, has put down thousands of rounds through the range. He gave me an amazing tip that stuck with me. He told me to have enough spare parts to rebuild your gun once over again. And what he means by that is have all the parts you need to completely rebuild your firearm in your range bag or at home or wherever your bug out bag or whatever, It made sense to me because I've always heard the term, like a lot of us have, two is one, one is none. So here you go. These are some Glock parts that I have on the table, which I keep in my range bag. And over here is a slide parts kit from Brownells for a Glock 17. They also have this for the Glock 19. The only difference is the recoil spring assembly. Of course, the 19 is going to have a shorter one. You could also use this in your G34, your G26. The only thing you would have to change out is the recoil spring. For the 26, of course. I like this because I could also swap it into a G19. I just need to get another recoil spring. But I wanted to make this video because this actually saved the day last time I went to the range. The fact that I had spare parts. Because, as you know, when you least expect it, something goes wrong. And sometimes it could be something very simple that could be changed out. So what happened was me and my friend went to the range. As you guys know, we like to build. We like to build our own setup. So what he had going on was a lone wolf connector. I'm not bashing them or anything. I'm just saying this is what happened. And he was having trigger issues with his build. And we both diagnosed it, and we both came to the fact that, hey, I think this might be a connector issue. Unfortunately, he didn't have a spare connector with him. So I went to my bag real quick. I checked, and sure enough, I had the OEM connector from another build that I had that I swapped out with a Zev. That's why I have it in this bag. I always like to keep things in its original packaging, and I like to label them. I got labels in the back. But that's not what it's about. As soon as we swapped it out, sure enough, the gun ran flawlessly, 100%. So, quick tip, just keep some extra parts. It doesn't hurt. You can find both these kits at Brownells right now. There's the Polymer 80 kit. They're known as the frame parts kit. They have everything you need to finish out your lower, your frame, and Brownells slide part kit. It even comes with a channel liner if you need that, with the tool, which is awesome. So guys, if you like this video, if it helped you out, please hit that like, share, subscribe, comment button, and leave your opinions. I also do have an affiliate code with Brownells, which I'll add into the description. If you guys like the patch, I am selling these on my website. Well, I don't have a website, but you can contact me and I can get you hooked up with one of these. But thanks for watching, guys. Till the next time. Enjoy the video. Take care. Thanks for watching.